No one does this all the time and walks like there and there. No one else is like you, Piero.
These days he varies it. I don't know. He used to be in arancini fix. These days he's been having the trout.
Tutti i giorni, la mattina, il pomeriggio, il sabato, la domenica, va matto per gli arancini, la trota, tutto gli piace. E il caffè naturalmente. Ma però vuole il limone nel ricotta pancake o il limone nella panna cotta.
Hey Piero, we're trying to get used to the idea of eating without you. We're doing our best here. But it's like 1 o'clock and we're eating lunch already. Wonder why that is.
Who is the Prime Minister of Italy? Who is the Prime Minister of Italy? She got it.
Piero, ma dove vai? Stai con noi.
It's been really great working with you. I'm going to miss all my Arctic exploring of Tasman assays for you and the Bosches. So, good luck at Columbia, and I'll see you for that New York Marathon really soon.
So, Piero, you are one of the most patient and most polite people that I have ever seen. I wish you the best luck for your career.
Hi Piero, this is Xiangqian, and good luck with your future, and hope everything goes great. So, yeah.
So, Piero takes a part in, vicariously at least, in every one of the trainings that I do for the new students, because when we initially got the RES with the new closed loop nozzles, they look like little guns, and so Piero nicknamed those the Cowboy. And so forevermore in our fax lab, the closed loop nozzles are known as the Cowboy due to Piero. And so his legacy lives on in the fax lab.
Okay.
But we will surely miss you, Piero. And hope that we can visit you or you can visit us. Bye.
Congratulations, Piero. Good luck. Keep in touch. Thanks.
Hi, Piero. It's been great working with you. Best wishes in your new adventure.
Good luck, Piero. It was nice to meet you and to know you for the last few years.
Hi, Piero. It was so nice having you a lot, and I always enjoyed, having your presence in the lab. And you're definitely going to be missed, and I hope you're back.
Hi Piero. I had a blast working with you over the summer, and
I also really liked learning about all the other things you had to tell me, whether it was about art or politics or anything, and I liked watching you debate with Mark, because honestly that was really funny. I'm really going to miss you, and I hope you have an awesome time in Colombia.
Hi, Piero Sensei. I was so lucky to work with you, so please have good luck in New York, and see you soon. Ciao, Piero Sensei.
Hey Piero. Well, I want to say goodbye, farewell. I was really honored that finally, after 3 lab meetings, you were able to make it to my lab meeting. And I also want to say that we're definitely going to miss you, especially your lab meetings.
Buongiorno, professore. I'm very happy for you going to New York City. That would be a big change for you. Trust me. I've been there, done that. Wish you all the best. We'll certainly miss you here.
Hi Piero. Congratulations to your new job, although it's really sad to see you leaving after all. With all your inspirational work, you got me to come to Stanford and eventually got trapped here. We're grateful for all the stuff you taught us, and we adopted most of it. But so far I still refuse to check each pipette casing for at least half an hour for its integrity before using it. Hope to see you soon. Best of luck.
Hi Piero, I will certainly miss our good old days at Stanford. Even though we are moving in completely different direction, far away from each other, I hope this will begin a new style of interaction and collaboration that will help you fight against the cancer stem cell idea. Keep in touch.
Is a very knowledgeable person with a very charismatic, charismatic, right? And he's very knowledgeable. I learned a lot from him. Piero, I will miss you a lot, and I hope we'll keep in touch, and you'll have my best wishes, and for your career and for future endeavor in your research.
Piero, I just heard from the Bashi that you're leaving to Colombia. I still remember how you came to me and had a story about getting a tissue microarray from the NCI. That was about 3 years ago, and you still don't have it. Maybe another 3 years you'll get it. Drop me a mail from Colombia when you get it, and we can look at it. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Piero, it's been great working with you. I wish you the best in New York, and all the best.
Piero, it's been a delight to have this very long scientific collaboration with you. You really began the Clarke Lab's journey from Michigan to Stanford, and now I see you're going to take the greater part of it to Columbia, at least the greater part of it being you, one of the great initiators of the cancer stem cell work, and the person that I trust will help Columbia try to catch up with Stanford in the trials on cancer stem cell. Have a great time, and I expect to have great meals with you in New York, and maybe once in a while in Milan.
Piero, Chris and I are both really going to miss you. It was great having you at Michigan, and then coming to Stanford with us. The lab will miss you a lot, and your contributions can't even be measured. And you're going to Columbia is their gain and our loss. There's just one thing, Piero. Are you going to pay off your Barolo debts?